Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for product in AliExpress using images. To do that, open AliExpress app, click on the camera icon at the top right corner. Now you have two options. You can take a photo of the items you want to search, or you can browse through your gallery. So I'm going to use this mouse pad as an example. Click on it. It's going to show you the exact product which you have saved as images in your gallery, or you can take a photo of the product you want to search for. After that, you can now buy the product after you have found it. So that's how you search for product in AliExpress using images. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.